Here we have completed our full portion, that is first sem as well as the second sem. So already you have received the timetable for midterm examination and some of the students are having the doubts related to the portion. So here while explaining the lesson I have given information about the deleted portion and still some of the students are having the doubts. So once again I will repeat which portion or which part of the lesson, because your lesson is not deleted, some of the topics of the lessons are deleted. So which are the topics are deleted for this academic year, that information I will give you. Now just open your reader and go through the reader, you will understand it clearly about the deleted portions for this academic year. So under first lesson, history, chapter first, Christianity and Islam. Christianity and Islam, in that everything is there, full lesson, concentrate on a full lesson. And next comes second chapter, that is medieval India and political transition. Under this lesson, that is medieval India and political transition, here the first part, that is Rajput dynasties. That is page number 8 to page number 10 till Chauhans. Under medieval India and political transition, in that chapter, first that is Rajput dynasties to here till Chauhans, and next the contributions of Rajput is not there for your study. The contributions of Rajputs is not there for your study. The arrival of Turks is also not there for your study. Next comes Delhi Sultans. Under this, the arrival of after the dynasties, Rajput dynasties, the contribution of Rajputs and the arrival of Turks. Under that, Muhammad Ghazni, Muhammad Ghori, political implications. This much is not there for your study. After Rajput dynasty, after Chauhans, next page number 13, Delhi Sultans. Delhi Sultans, about introduction. Next, Ghulam dynasty, Khilji dynasty, Tughlaq dynasty, Lodi dynasty till 19. Still, that is Delhi Sultans from introduction to last, that is till Lodi dynasty is there for your study, and remaining part, that is from the contributions of Delhi Sultans. The contributions of Delhi Sultans, that is page number 20 onwards. That is page number 20 and 21. These two are not there. So remember, contribution of Delhi Sultan is not there for your study. That is deleted for this academic year. Next, third chapter, religious promoters and social reformers. In this lesson, full lesson is there. Full lesson is there. That is about Shankaracharya, Ramanujacharya, Madhvacharya, Basaveshwara, full. Everything is there in this lesson. Next comes, that is chapter 4, Vijayanagara and Bahmani kingdoms. Vijayanagara and Bahmani kingdoms. In that, first introduction part is there. Next, dynasties. Under that, the kings like Bukkaraya, Harihara II, Devaraya II, Krishna Devaraya. Page number 31 till 31 is there. So next, page number 32 onwards, that is the military achievements of Krishna Devaraya. The military achievements of Krishna Devaraya, page number 32 onwards, it is not there for your study. That is, the military achievements of Krishna Devaraya is not there. Next, fall of Vijayanagara Empire. Fall of Vijayanagara Empire is there for your study, only that one topic, one paragraph, that is fall of Vijayanagara Empire is there. Next, the cultural contributions of Vijayanagara Empire is not there for your studies. The cultural contributions of Vijayanagara Empire, page number 34, page number 35, page number 36, page number 37, 38, 39 till page number 39 and the end of Vijayanagara kingdom. Till there it is not there for your study. That is deleted for this academic year. Next comes Bahmani Kingdom. From page number 40, that is Bahmani Kingdom, introduction is there. About Muhammad Gawan is also there for your study. Ibrahim Adil Shah till Ibrahim Adil Shah II is there for your study. Next again, cultural contributions of the Bahmani Sultans, page number 42. Cultural contributions of the Bahmani Sultans to revenue, military and judicial system, economic, social and religious systems, education, art and architecture. All this part is deleted for this academic year. So what you have to study from this lesson, that is from chapter 4, Vijayanagara Empire. Under this lesson, you have to learn about the Vijayanagara Empire, that is introduction. Next, Bukkaraya, Harihara II, Devaraya II, Krishna Devaraya. Not military achievements, only about the introduction part of Krishna Devaraya. Next, fall of Vijayanagara Empire. Afterwards, Bahmani Empire. Bahmani Empire, that is page number 40 to page number 42. That is till Ibrahim Adil Shah II. Only that much is there for your studies. Major part of the lesson is deleted for this academic year because that is already you have learned in 7th standard. Next lesson, that is political science, chapter 1st, our constitution. This lesson as you have already learned in your 7th standard. So here the first part, introduction. First introduction is there. The Indian Constituent Assembly, drafting committee and the framing of the constitution, page number 47 and page number 48. Only that much is there for your study. And remaining part of this lesson is completely deleted for this academic year. Remember, first chapter, our constitution, in that introduction, the Indian Constituent Assembly, drafting committee, framing of the constitution. Till there is there for your study. From preamble onwards, preamble to the constitution onwards, everything is deleted for this academic year. So, preamble to the constitution is not there, and about salient features also not there for your studies. Then, fundamental rights, fundamental duties and directive principles. All these points are deleted for this academic year. You already learned this everything in 7th standard. That is the reason, that's why again it is not there for your study. Only introductory part is there for your study. Next, lesson number 2, chapter 2 of political science, the union government. Under this, introduction is there. Union legislature, page number 58, union legislature. Next, 59, page number 59. And next, page number 60 until page number 61 is there for your study. Union legislature, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha. Next, powers and functions of the parliament and other powers of the parliament. Till there is there for your study, and remaining part from union executive is not there for your study. So here no information, that is the topics like president, then the functions of the president and prime minister, and all these points are deleted for this academic year. Only till the powers and functions of the parliament, till other powers, page number 61. Remember, page number 58, 59, 60 and 61. Only this much for your study from this lesson. Remaining part of the lesson is deleted, that is for this academic year. Next, chapter 3, state government. Chapter 3, state government. Here, page number 69, state legislature, Vidhana Sabha. Page number 70, qualification for legislative assembly member, powers and functions of the legislative assembly. Next, page number 71, legislative council. Then, powers of the legislative council, the process of creation of an act, till direction powers or the direction powers. Till there is there for your study. That is page number 69, 70, 71, 72. State executive onwards, it is not there for your study. That is governor and chief minister is not there for your study. Only till direction powers. Direction powers. Remember, page number 69, 70, 71, 72. Remaining part is deleted for this academic year. Next, sociology, chapter 1, family. In that introduction of the family, page number 76, characteristics of family, page number 76 and 77, and page number 78. Sixth point, it instructs the tradition. Introduction, that is types of family onwards, not there for your studies. Still, it instructs the tradition. That is page number 76, 77, 78 in that first one paragraph and 3 points. Only that much is there for your study. Types of family onwards. Types of family onwards. The lesson, the topic is deleted for this academic year. So, there is no need of reading types of family. Characteristics of a joint family system. That is not there for your study for this academic year till it instructs the tradition. Till last 3 points, that is a family that has grandparents, parents, children and grandchildren is called as a extended family. So remaining part is deleted for this academic year. Next, socialization, chapter 2, socialization. So meaning of socialization, functions of socialization, page number 82. Next, agencies of socialization, page number 83. Next, 84, page number 84, till there for your studies, that is page number 82, 83, 84, 85 onwards, that is gender and socialization. Gender and socialization topic that is deleted from this lesson. So, gender and socialization is not there for your study till urban communities, that is under neighborhood, the last word urban communities, till there is there for your studies. Gender and socialization is not there for your study, remember. Next, geography, our state Karnataka, full lesson is there. Our state Karnataka, full lesson is there, and both the maps you have to learn. Here you have to give utmost importance for map of Karnataka and to locate the districts and district headquarters. District and district headquarters you have to learn. So that map is there for your study. The map question is for 5 marks. That's why concentrate first drawing the map and locating the headquarters as well as the capital. Bengaluru is the capital. So that all you have to learn to locate in the map. So that full lesson is there. Next, physiographic division of Karnataka, that also the full lesson is there, and you have to learn the map natural divisions. That is page number 93. Physical divisions of that is physiographic divisions of Karnataka. Under that, the map natural divisions. That map you have to learn the divisions, coastal plain and next Malnad region, and the last one is the Maidan region. So that you have to learn for the midterm examination, remember. So that full lesson is there, physiographic division of Karnataka. Next comes chapter 3, climate, soil, natural, vegetation and animal of Karnataka. So in this almost all the topics are deleted. So no need of reading this lesson. So I did not give notes for this lesson also. So there is nothing to read from this lesson, remember. And next comes water resources of Karnataka. Under water resources of Karnataka, page number 106. 107 and 108. So 3 pages are there for your study. That is about rivers of Karnataka, east flowing rivers, west flowing rivers and irrigation in Karnataka. Only this much for your study. The hydroelectric power as well as the main hydroelectric power projects of Karnataka, river water disputes. These three topics are deleted from this lesson. So that is not there for your study, only till irrigation in Karnataka. Hydroelectric power is not there for your studies. Remember, only 3 pages, that is 106, 107 and 108. Next, chapter 5, land resources of Karnataka. In this lesson also, only first page and second page, that is 112 and 113, that is land utilization and pattern of land utilization in Karnataka. Pattern of land utilization in Karnataka. So that only there for your study, and agriculture part onwards. Agriculture is not there for your study. Agriculture onwards, this, that is agriculture, food crops and commercial crops. Agriculture, food crops, commercial crops are deleted. The topics are deleted for this academic year. Only the land utilization and pattern of land utilization in Karnataka. Only that much is there for your study. So remember, page number 112 and page number 130. Remaining pages are deleted for this academic year. So next comes economics, the first lesson, natural resources. Under this first comes meaning and types of introduction, meaning and types of resources, and types of resources, renewable resources, non-renewable resources. Only this much. Scarcity of resources onwards, everything is deleted for this academic year. So what you have to learn from this lesson, page number 122 and 123. Here only to learn meaning of types of resources, renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Scarcity of resources onwards, everything is deleted for this academic year. So no need of reading from scarcity of resources. Remember, so scarcity of resources, conservation of that is conservation of resources. So different till community is not there for your study. Next second lesson of economics, human resources of India. Here also the introduction of human resources of India, people as resource, characteristics of India's population, characteristics of India's population. That is page number 100, 131, 132, 133, 134, that is 9th point till 9th point overpopulation. Till 9th point overpopulation. Demographic transition onwards, the lesson, the topic is deleted. So that is not there for your studies. Page number 134, that is demographic transition, is not there for your study, and remaining part whatever there in that lesson, that is not there for your study, that is deleted. So only 3 pages, 131, 32, 33 and 34. How is there for your study? Demographic transition onwards, these topics are deleted for this academic year, that is not there for your studies. And the last lesson of first part, social science, business studies, management of business. So here the first page number 139, page number 140 and page number 141, page number 142. This is there for your study, that is meaning of management, principles of management, functional areas of management. So this much is there for your studies. Decision making process onwards, the topics that is deleted for this academic year. So only here 139, page number 139, page number 140, page number 141 and page number 142. Only this much is there for your studies. Remaining part is completely deleted. So deleted portion, no need of reading. See, first in history part I have already given the notes, but now I have given the clear picture of deleted portion of first part. So concentrate on that, concentrate on the page numbers and which questions are not there for a study, it's no need of reading that. What is there, that you have to read both the notes and the reader. Not only reading the notes, you are here, you have to read the reader also. You have to give utmost importance for reader plus notes. Equally importance you have to give for both notes and the reader. That's why don't neglect the reader part. So concentrate properly. Most of the topics are deleted, so no need of reading the deleted portion or deleted topics. Remember, regarding this deleted portion, any doubts, so call me and get the clarification. Understood? So related portion I have given the knowledge. Follow that. Any doubts, once again call me and ask about the deleted portion. Here what is deleted? No need of touching deleted portion, but you have to read remaining part, notes as well as the reader. That is important. And while explaining, I have given two main maps. There are three maps. One is map of India. In that map of India, you have to know to draw the map of Karnataka. And two more maps. That is, one is the Karnataka or state. Karnataka state about the latitudinal and longitudinal extent, and about the districts and district headquarters and the capital Bengaluru. So this one you have to learn for the midterm examination. And one more is physical division or the physiographic divisions of Karnataka. So under physiographic divisions, three main divisions are there. That is coastal plain, coastal region, Malnad region, Maidan region. So all these three you have to know to locate in the map. So that you have to learn. Two maps you have to learn for the examination. So regarding the deleted portion, any doubts you can call and ask with me.